Spacious house in a beautiful community on a nice, short, wide canal to Sykes Creek. House feels bigger than the square footage implies. Split floor plan. Family room plus formal living and dining rooms. Fully equipped kitchen with breakfast bar open to tiled family room. Large screen patio. Plenty of room for a pool, and the guest bathroom is set up for pool access. Beautiful water views from master, living, dining, family rooms and kitchen. Dock with lift. Indoor laundry room. 2-car garage west bonus 9 feet x 7 feet area perfect for workshop or storage. Great opportunity to live the waterfront lifestyle in a great neighborhood. Convenient to 528 Beachline for easy commute to Spacious.